Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I intend to make a simple flower with 6 red petals, 2 simple leaves, and a cream stem. And I'm going to do my petals. I'm going to make my petals on a piece of wire because I want my flower to be flexible, bendable. So take your wire like that, bend it a little bit for a starting point, like that. Take your red yarn. I'm using a 4 millimeters crochet hook. Now make your loop like that. I've got my loop. That's my loop. Now what is required is to join the wire to the yarn. You know where we bended it? That is where we are going to go. It's a little bit, not tricky, but a little bit, it takes a bit of your time, but with a bit of patience, we can do it. Now, join the wire to the yarn like that. That way. Now, from there, we're going to chain 3 up for our first petal. 1, 2, and 3. And from there we are going to make 4 treble crochet stitches, that being the first one. As I said, can be a little bit it needs a steady hand, but we can do it. That is 1 treble crochet stitch. The second one is coming. We need 4, so that's the second. Don't count the chain. We need 2 more treble crochet stitches. That's the third. A little bit of patience will take you a long way. So that's 3. I need 1 more treble crochet. So that's 3 and the chain. Now the fourth one is there. It helps if you keep bending the wire. It helps to work your way better. You do it again. The fourth. Don't worry. Sometimes it happens like that, but it's not the end of the world. Just take your time. No hurry. Just do it. We are on the 4th treble crochet. And there it is. So plus the chain, we have 5 double crochet. So from here, we are going to pull through the 5 like that. And now join them all together like so. So on the 3rd chain 4 up, chain 4 up. Now on the 3rd, pull your hook through there, come through and pull it together like that. So you have a little loop there. We're nearly finishing our first petal. Now chain 4 down, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Come to the bottom of the wire like so and pull it out like that. Now we have our first petal. Well done. Takes a bit of practice, but it's doable. Now let's go on to our second petal. Just the same way, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, 4 treble crochet, that being 1, as we said. Takes a steady hand a bit of patience. That is one treble crochet, another one. Take your time, don't rush. Two more. That's the third. The third treble crochet. Now we on the fourth one, the last one, the fourth one. So plus the chain, we have like five treble crochet. Now from there, we are going to pull through like that, join them together like so. Now chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Count the third treble, go through there, go in and out, and pull like that. So from there is chaining 4 down as we did the first time round. 4, go down to the wire and pull through like so. So we have 2 complete petals. Let's have a look. 2 complete petals on our wire, and we need 6. So let's meet when we have 6, and we have 6 on the wire, 6 petals on the wire. So now what is remaining is pull them together to minimize the middle circle. Pull your wire, pull your wire until you have your petals almost together. Make the circle in the middle very small. Keep pulling. As I said, this is a work, a labor of love, because it takes a lot of patience and a lot of and a steady hand. Arrange your petals nicely like that. Don't worry about the loose ends. We'll cut them off when the time comes. Use our 6 petals. Keep pulling until the gap in the middle lessens, becomes smaller, smaller and smaller. The smaller, the better. So you see, that is what we got so far, our 6 petals together like that. And now we are going to make a stem, but the wire is too long, so we're going to cut the length of the stem that we need. Cut it off like that. So we end up having our 6 petals and a bit of stem made of wire. Now we're going to roll it around like that so that the 2 pieces can be coiled together. Roll, because it's 2 pieces of wire, you want them like one piece. Roll them together like that, roll them together like that until you have like a one piece. So that is what we have so far. Look at the petals, look how beautiful they are. So beautiful. Let's cut now the loose end. Now that we have come to it, cut it off, neaten everything. We're getting on very well. Thank you for being with me so far. Let's see where we get with this. Now we are going to make the stem with our cream. I don't know whether to call it cream brown, whatever color it is. We're going to crochet around the wire to make our stem like that, like so. You crochet, you see, go crochet around the wire to make our stem. It's gonna to be a very beautiful flower. As I said, labor of love. It takes a lot of patience, a steady hand, and we will get there in the end. Let's keep going. We keep covering this wire, our stem. Keep covering with the single crochet like that. That's where we are. We keep covering it until we cover all the stem. Cover it all up, push it together so that there are no gaps. You see, that is what we have so far. Don't worry about the loose ends. As we say, we are cutting them afterwards. Hide it behind there. We'll get to it. So let's keep going, covering our wire for our stem. Keep covering. So we cover until we come to the very end of the stem. And here we are. We are at the end of the stem. I used a bit of the glue gun to make it all nice and tight. So we are here. Looks like that. Let's make it all nice, and it's all very flexible. As you can see, you can bend it however way you want. Keep going, keep going. That's how beautiful it is. Now we're going to make the two leaves. These two leaves are so easy to make. Make a loop. Now chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So from there, make 2 single crochet. That's 1. Another 1. 2 single crochet. Now make 2 half double crochet. That's 1. Another half double crochet. And 2 double crochet. That being 1. And now the last double crochet. So that is 1 leaf. And now from there we're going to chain 7 again. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. As we did earlier, 2 single crochet. 1, 2, 2 half double crochet. That being 1. And another 1 half double crochet. And 2 double crochet. That one, another double crochet there, and from there we are going to join them. From there we join them together like that, and we are going to cut the yarn and leave them like so. So we have them like that. So we're going to thread them through the stem. Thread them through the stem like that. I'm going to use my glue gun to join them to the stem. Where is my glue gun? Give me my glue gun. Here I am with my glue gun. I join them to the stem like so. They're together like that. Make it all nice and beautiful. Here we are. And our flower is done. So beautiful. It's like that. So beautiful, so flexible. And I would thank you very much for being with me. And until we meet again, I will say bye and bye.